Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer.
And this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week's video, we're making a new dust separator for our shop vac.
Okay, for those of you who have been watching our channel for a while, you may realize that we've already created a dust separator for our shop vac, but we ran into some issues, and so we had to come up with a different solution.
Now let's take a look.
Recently, this started to happen.
We did some research on the internet. We found that you can fix this problem simply by adding it into another bucket.
Long story short, we happen to have a second bucket that we ordered by mistake. So we thought we could use this for the shop vac.
I'll be back.
We begin by cutting a hole in the top for the Cyclone dust separator. Then we mark where we'll drill holes for the nuts and bolts.
Then we drill the holes.
The next step is to bolt down the dust separator.
We then assemble it and connect it to the shop vac.
Now we need to test it out.
It looks like all the debris was captured in the big bucket.
The real test is to see if anything went into the shop vac. It would appear that none of the debris made it into the shop vac.
We are really pleased with the dust cyclone. It works like a charm.
Next week.
Who knows?
So until we meet again.
Bye-bye.